professor, our team tried coding to implement a system for store inventory management. Coding for array Q was presented to apply function related to Q learned in class. Then a class called goods was created to so that information such as the name of the product, the number of inventory, and the expiration date could be used. The diff_goods_stock function represents the number of inventories present minus the amount of inventory consumed by consumers. The change_goods_stock function is a function that shows the amount of inventory that has been changed. The warehouse function forms a list of 100 values and then uses class goods to put information about each product in each index. The information corresponding to small w1 below is written in the same form to each of the 100 indexes in the list. The create inventory function is a function that converts a list of information entered through the warehouse function into a queue. Each of small w1, small w2, and small w3 shows the name of the product, how much inventory is in one box, and the expiration date. For example, Mountain Dew has 300 in one box, and through the create inventory function, a list of 100 indexes is put in the queue of each product. Since the store was always set to have at least 2 boxes in stock, 2 dequeue functions were executed and the subtracted values were put into the store queue called big S1, big S2, big S3. A new list called warehouse is created and big W1, big W2, and big W3 are put in, and a queue of 100 indexes consisting of one type of product described above is put in one index in warehouse's list. In other words, it can be seen that information on various products is included. The inf_to_store function has a procedure to determine the name of the product to be sent from the warehouse to the mart, and subtracts the product through the queue function. The ch fixed stock function is a function set to receive the number of stocks in the box at all times, although each product has a different number of stocks. In the operation function, the conditions were divided into 3. Let me illustrate Mountain Dew as an example. The first if statement is when the stock in the first box is sold out. If re-in is negative, the re-in value is added to 300 pieces in another box. At this time, the box with 0 inventory is discarded through dequeue. And when there are 2 boxes left in the store, do not place an order. And when there is 1, place an order to keep more than 1 box in the store. The second elif statement is when the remaining inventory is greater than 0 and less than 50. In other words, when the store inventory is less than 350, a new order is placed. The third is when the store inventory is over 350. At this time, it only tells you the remaining inventory. Let me explain by actually putting the value in. I would like to show Mountain Dew as an example. When 55 is initially entered, it is expressed in the form corresponding to the else sentence as shown below. Next, when a value of 200 is entered, it is expressed in the form corresponding to the elif statement. Finally, when the value of 200 is executed once, the form corresponding to the case where length is 2 is derived among the if statements. We have prepared so far, and from now on, we will specify and expand inventory management according to the expiration date, designate the location of warehouses, and then specify and expand the paths that connect the warehouse and the store. Thank you for listening.